race truck, we got it running last time. Today we're going to take it around the cul-de-sac. That's the plan. Because I still need more motivation. There's still so much to do. But I have the all-powerful Scotty. This is one of my oldest friends, and he is here to cobble the truck together. What do you think this thing needs, buddy?
A good kick in the ass.
A good kick in the ass. So we're going to kick this thing's ass, and we're going to try and make it go around the cul-de-sac today.
And hopefully back into the garage.
Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. So pay attention.
That's ultimate goal. Yeah.
And we'll get it done. So guys, we got the fuel system, we got the hose, we got it chopped from when we ran it, just out the door or whatever. So Scotty chopped that up.
Going along.
Can I call you Scotty? Is that okay, Scotty?
By all means, brother.
So we got that chopped up, lined up with the fuel regulator, so now it's decently in the car. I hooked up the battery in a less ghetto way, slightly less ghetto. Basically, it's in the car now, so that everything's wired in the car and a couple switches, so I can turn on and off everything, and I'm not just
less ghetto.
Slightly less ghetto. We're just moving our way from super ghetto to slightly less ghetto, and then eventually we'll be not ghetto. But that's a long way off right now. So that's done. We're gonna put a little bit of coolant in the radiator, and we're going to put the drive shaft in, and then
drive shaft. That's right.
Yeah, and then we got to put some oil in the drive shaft, gear oil in the drive shaft.
And you should let them see your custom bucket seat up here.
Yeah. Then you got to check out the sweet bucket seat. So that's what we're doing right now.
Custom dog. And then you here is ripped a little more, so might need a little more duct tape.
We need more tape for the snorkel tube?
Yeah. We're running out of duct tape, dog. If you can't duct tape this shit, it's broke.
Nah, man, it's still good. It's still good.
You ain't got duct tape? Damn, you are a ghetto.
I got it. I don't want to waste duct tape on this thing, dude. Painter's tape, baby. This is a custom intake.
I ain't gonna wait. Duct tape is a little pricey nowadays.
Listen,
I'm kind of
if you don't wrap it, there's gonna be problems, dude. You know what I'm saying?
And I know exactly. I've been itching for days because of that.
I don't know if wrapping is gonna help you with the itch, brother.
It would have. I haven't, for the record. If shit's being recorded, I am clean as my mother's sheets.
Clean as your. Is that a saying? I'm clean as my mother's sheets.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a saying.
I just said it.
That's right.
That's just the tip.
That's good. Oh, that was good. Put all of our fingers together on the shaft to get it in. Because
I like to use protection. You know, Danny just goes in raw dog.
And are you talking about the raw steel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I like raw.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Little tetanus. You know, it's good for you. There, on your chest.
Yeah, dude. We probably need tools to tighten that.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure either I'm cross-threading something or it's just like full of rust.
Do you know what you're doing?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm hoping. I'm hoping that I'm not.
I don't know what I'm doing. Just so you know, I haven't known what I'm doing since the start of this project. So
Oh, really?
I'm gonna get a tool. I think we're supposed to tighten that.
And I'm gonna pray.
Here's a cheap 8.
Hey, whatever. Thank you, sir.
It's not even open yet.
Oh, it's not even a box.
Just
dude.
stick it on the holes, dude. That's so good.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. You know, it's through your inspiration that I shine.
See, I may not have the right tools.
Yeah. End of sentence. Yeah. Go on.
But I can make do with a wobbly. What are you doing, bro?
Bro, dude.
You gotta hold the shaft.
All I wanted was the box.
You gotta hold the base, and then you gotta.
All
right, Scotty's finishing up.
Oh, hey, dude. So, working here yesterday, you know, it really kind of gave me some inspiration of like, you know, what the shop needs. So go look on my passenger floor. I got your present for your garage because you know I thought
you got gifts for me.
Gifts just for you, man.
From
you
your
know?
house or what? All right,
What?
let's see what we got.
No, I went out shopping. You know, I was thinking like, you know, I mean, I like to live dangerously too, but you know, I got a limit. You know.
All right. What is Scotty bringing the old truck? What are you trying to say, man?
Yeah, it's just because it, you know, made me think about how much gas I spilled on your
Fire
floor
away.
yesterday.
Well, I mean, I think I appreciate the sentiment.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hopefully I'll never need this, but
I
sweet.
mean, yeah, hopefully.
It's a good idea.
I mean, if you've ever set a garage on fire, which I have, you know.
So you brought this for you and not me. All right.
It has a wall mount, okay? I put the screws in it, use it.
Well, apparently your sentiment's the same as mine because I set mine on my toolbox just in case.
That was anticlimactic.
Woo! Brakes, bro.
Wow.
You don't need brakes when you're
that was
racing,
way
bro?
manual.
Throttle off. That's all your brakes.
Yeah. High five.
Yeah.
Nice. That was
The action packer. You always sit on an action packer.
dude, I was sliding
Because if you want your action packed, because that was action packed. Oh man.
sliding all
Oh
around.
man.
I'm just trying to stay on.
It drives. It goes into gear. It moves. Hey guys, that basically wraps it up today. Kind of did what we wanted to do. Had the truck did a little roundabout, and technically speaking, we burned rubber. So there's that. Didn't really, but I'm calling it. Charging issues. We have some charging issues. It's not charging the battery, so it's one of the things we got to figure out. And the throttle needs to be relearned, so I gotta check it. I gotta grab the tester and see if I can do a throttle relearn process, because the way to do it is through like the cluster with the gas pedal and all that stuff. I don't have any of that, so I have to figure out how to get the throttle to relearn. Right now it's like crazy high idle. I think there's probably some codes set in the engine, a bunch of stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get some real throttle in this thing for a little while, but it's getting there. moved under its own power, got the drive shaft in and stuff. So I don't know, making a little headway. Some of it's cobbled together to be fixed. I'm making a list of things to uncobble before it actually hits some real dirt. But you got to make it drive in a circle first before you can make it bomb through the desert second, right? So I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for everything, and we'll see you next time. See ya!